Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Garden. So before I start the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and follow Instagram page. So here I am showing you my plants which I bought it from Harvest Sunday stall which we had on 13th of October. So I have bought 4 plants and this is jade, one among them. So this is jade plant and this one is spider plant which I have. This is full and lush in green color, and next one is this is Aralia plant which I had. So I didn't had an Aralia before, so this is the first time that I'm having an Aralia plant. And another one is this one, and this is again jade, but this time this is a creeper jade. So if you can see the stem of that particular plant, the first one which I've shown you, that is a green jade, and this one is pink one. And I bought some ceramic planters. So this is gray one, and this is the round planter which I bought it. So I bought, and this is one white color planter which has some kind of stand. So I bought these 3 planters by plans in mind, because selecting right planters are also very much important. So this is the bonsai planter which I already have. So I'm thinking to convert my one of the jade into a bonsai planter. So that is the reason I'm putting I got this bonsai planter long back, so I'm using that. So I'm a bit confused to which pot to use for creeper jade and the normal jade. So I thought I should use some of the other like this white plant for the creeper one, but I'm opening this one and then I've changed my mind, and I have used this white pot for my creeper jade plant. So if you can see the plant, the roots are also coming out. So the plant is in good condition, very nice condition. I'm just taking off some soil, because to give some space to those roots to grow bit more. So the soil that I'm using here is regular garden soil which have all nutrients, because I'll be using nutrients in every 15 to 20 days or even sometimes 30 days. So this is all nutritious soil that I have here. So I'm using the same soil. So you can use any garden soil which is available in your houses while repotting the plants. And I'm filling the soil, half of the pot with the soil which I have, and I'm taking this planter. As I said, I changed my mind, so I'm taking this plant and I'm putting it. So if you can see the roots of it, the roots have come out very nicely. And I got a succulent leaf which I'll show you. We can even propagate that and get a succulent plant out of it. So this is looking very nice, and because as it is a creeper and the planter is white in color, it is looking so nice. So I'm using this one, and just need to fill up the soil entirely. And jade is sun loving plant, so you can put it in direct sunlight. So my house is south facing house, so we don't get that early morning sunlight, but we'll get a afternoon sunlight around like 3 o'clock, and like 3:30, 2 o'clock, like that we'll get a evening sunlight. So that is also a good thing for plants, such kind of jade plants and all. So if possible, for the people who are having who will get morning sunlight, that could be better for them more, because jade is that one plant which needs full sunlight. It loves sunlight very good sunlight very much. And this is the planter which I'm using for another jade. So I'm checking out if the soil, I had to remove more soil, so I'm removing the more soil here. So the roots that are there, that we can directly pot it in the planter. So the soil here I'm using is a regular soil. As I said, for bonsai plants you'll get bonsai soil separately. So you can also even prepare the bonsai soil. It is not a big thing to prepare it, but as of now I'm not using any bonsai soil here. I'm using the same soil which I used for the other plants as well. So after a period of time, maybe I'm gonna change the soil. As of now, I just want to put these plant into this pot to one side. So you need to select the position of the plant before we fill the soil. So this is one kind of tray like a planter, so we just need to fill the soil very carefully. I want to decorate this tray with a as a tray garden. So I'm putting the plant to the side of it, one side of the planter, for the one side of the pot, and I'm filling up the soil here. If you want, you can even fill up the moss if moss is available with you people. So you can even do this. And the next one is Aralia again. So Aralia, I have to remove the excess soil. So if you can see, even for Aralia the roots are coming out. So the plants that I got it, all 4 plants are in healthy condition, good condition. So I just need to fill up the soil here properly. So choosing the pots are also, as I said, choosing the pots are also very much important for your plants, because if you choose wrong pots for your plants, then your plants will not thrive, then your plants will not grow properly. So it is very much important for us to choose the right pots, right size pots, because we are using these pots for good. Some people will use, like, they'll put very small pots for bigger plants, so that what happens is, like, the roots will not develop for those plants. So it is very much important that you need to choose a right planter for your pot, so that your plants will thrive. And I thought this round pink one will be suitable for spider plant, as it is very nice looking pot. After I transfer the plant into this pot, it is looking so very nice. And so this is how I have transferred my plants into these planters, jade creeper and jade normal jade, and this is the spider plant and Aralia. So this is how I transferred my plants. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel Collective Gardening. Thank you.